Hey guys, it's Jeff with Simply Derivative, and here's the daily recap video. It is Wednesday, July 18th. Here we're looking at the ES daily chart. We pushed up to new highs, recent highs in the ES today, right around 28.18 quarter. I think that was the exact high. Yes, it was on the day, and we didn't really have any great opportunities. There was a small time frame day trade earlier in the day as an opportunity to get long, but bigger picture, as you can see, that's why we're looking at the daily. We're focused on prices up here, these levels up here above 28.31. We had come into the wicks today, just touched it, literally touched it on this U contract for the ES, and so we're expecting some sort of selling pressure, some sort of nice pullback out of this area. So we started to look at initiating some positions to the downside in the ES and the S&P as a whole, whether that's through options or stocks or futures. We're specifically looking at options and of course futures. So that is something that we're really paying attention to right now. This is a big level for the markets, a big time for the markets, and we're going to see what type of move this can produce. So we're going to be watching that. If we can get a further push up higher above this 28.31, that would be ideal to add to the position. But we're looking at it right now because of this bottom wick where it broke down. So with this big red candle, so we started to look at and initiate some positions to the downside. So this was the big thing we were looking at today in the markets, the ES specifically. Other than that, everything else was basically mixed or flat. Russell was flat, NASDAQ was down 18, bonds basically flat. Crude was up a little bit, but other than that, we're kind of just waiting and going to keep an eye on this. Aftermarket earnings, looks like American Express missed, and their stock is down pretty big. There was a nice level that we had identified on a daily chart up here at this 102.70 up to 103.25, basically the high, all-time high. And you can see this W pattern, and it basically came up to the high side of the zone, the range, the channel, reported earnings, and now you can see the move to the downside. So that was an opportunity that we were also looking at. But other than that, we're mainly focused on this ES and the S&P and what's going to happen here the rest of the week and going forward in the coming weeks. We have a low VIX, so protecting your portfolios, adding to short positions, initiating short positions via options. It's a good time to do it, especially if we get another further move up. And so that's something that we're going to take a look at and we'll be talking about here in the coming weeks. That's it for today, guys. We're working on getting the camera fixed. I don't know what's going on, but we'll have that fixed here shortly. Other than that, follow us on social media. Be sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel if you want to learn more about the markets and how we analyze them, how we trade them, how we consistently make money from them. Be sure to check us out at simplyderivative.com.